Show up. There's a quiet kind of power most people overlook. It's not talent, not intelligence, not luck. It's something far simpler, but far more powerful. It's the power of showing up. Every day, life gives us a chance to show up. Show up for our dreams, show up for our families, show up for ourselves. But let's be honest, some days we just don't feel like it. We feel tired, unmotivated, defeated. And it's in those exact moments that showing up matters the most. Because consistency beats motivation. Motivation comes and goes. But showing up, even without the fire, even with doubt in your heart, that's how you build something real. The truth is, nobody ever sees the silent battles we fight just to show up. The mother who gets out of bed after a sleepless night to feed her kids, the student who studies again after failing the last test, the person battling depression who still goes to work with a smile. These moments don't make headlines, but they build strength. They build character. You don't have to be the best. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to show up and do the next right thing. Showing up is how you win, long before the results show up. The athlete trains on days they feel off. The entrepreneur posts again even when no one watches. The writer writes even when the page feels empty. Because showing up isn't about the applause. It's about staying loyal to the vision you set for yourself. It's about becoming the kind of person who refuses to disappear just because things are hard. You don't rise when you feel like it. You rise when you commit to it. You rise when you say, I'm not giving up today. So how do we show up, even when we don't feel like it? We stop waiting for the perfect mood. We stop negotiating with our excuses. We remind ourselves, discipline is love in action. Show up for your health. Show up for your future. Show up for your kids. Show up for your peace. Show up for the you you're trying to become. Because every time you show up, you are voting for your future. And those small votes, they add up. They become momentum. They become confidence. They become transformation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be present. When it's hard, show up. When it's quiet, show up. When you don't feel ready, show up anyway. Because one day, you'll look back and realize the most powerful thing you ever did was not giving up. It was showing up. So today, tomorrow, every day, show up.